Hey guys, just had my gun apart, all clean, and I do want to show you how I lubricate my gun. A little bit of controversy in the internet about how much lube to use on these, but I disagree. I just lube this gun like I do any other gun, and it runs great for me. You can see from my videos how reliable this gun has been. It's just amazing. I got zero issues with this gun. So yeah, I'm going to show you what I do. I'm going to start with the frame here, and I got some Lucas gun oil. There's a trigger plunger here. I'm just going to lubricate that and work that little thing back and forth. This is the slide stop. I'm going to lubricate around the slide stop. All right. I'm also going to put some oil on the barrel here. You'll see why in a minute. Okay. And go ahead and stick the gas rod in. Alright, the reason I oiled the barrel is because that kind of rides on there. So I usually put a drop down in there too. I'm going to oil my guide rod, a couple drips all the way down. And the guide rod here at the very end where it travels through. Okay. Also in here where the spring rubs. Okay. Alright, we'll set that aside. So the slide, I put a couple drips here and on this side, on the inside, and I'm just going to smear it around. Really thin layer. Okay. And there's a lot of controversy over this, and the only reason why you wouldn't lubricate it is so the dirt doesn't stick. In my case, I use it so frequently, I end up wiping it out and just re-lubricating it, and it works really, really good for me. I think you could probably only damage this gun by under lubricating it, and if you over lubricate it, well, it's just going to be a little bit dirty. But one thing I also get to in here is the extractor. I always put some lubricant around the extractor. Okay, so that's all lubed up. I'm just going to go ahead and stick this on, just like that. You can see how this thing works inside. So this is a gas chamber. It's a delayed blowback. Okay. So put a bit of lube here where those two parts meet. Anything where it could rub. There's also a built-in buffer at the back. I usually put a drop of oil on that. I don't know if you can see that. Right in there, there's a little plunger, and it's actually a buffer. So when the slide comes back, it hits that buffer, and there's a bit of give there. I'm not sure if you can see that on the video. So yeah, another spot you can lubricate is right here. This trigger plunger. Make sure there's a bit of oil down around it. Now we'll go on to the top rail. This is the hammer, guys. If you're not familiar with this gun, it swings from the top. Okay. So obviously this plunger and spring here. I lubricate the whole spring, and then I lubricate the pivots on both sides. There's 4 pivots there. I'll work that back and forth. Just lubricate this. This is a latch. Keeps it on the top of the gun. And some of these wear spots, lubricate that too. Okay. That's pretty much it. So when you put it back together, it's easier with the hammer cocked. I'm just gonna give it a firm push on the front and it snaps in, and that's it. It's all ready to go. All right, I hope you enjoyed that video. Until next time, thanks for watching.